Hello friends, welcome to the channel Jago Students. Today's topic is important days. This becomes a very important topic for all competitive exams. So let's start. Important days of January. 1st January is Global Family Day. Then on 4th January we celebrate World Braille Day. 5th January is National Bird Day. 6th January World Day of War Orphans. 9th January is NRI Day or Pravasi Bharatiya Divas. 10th January is World Hindi Day and World Laughter Day. 12th January is National Youth Day because on this day Swami Vivekananda was born. So we celebrate this day to honor the birth anniversary of Swamiji. 15th January is Army Day. 24th January National Girl Child Day. Then on 25th January National Tourism Day and National Voters Day are celebrated. 26th January is Republic Day. 26th January is also International Customs Day. Then Data Protection Day is celebrated on 28th January. 29th January is National Newspaper Day. On this day, the first newspaper, Bengal Gazette, was published by James Augustus Hickey. So the first newspaper is Bengal Gazette, and who published it? James Augustus Hickey, and this was published first time on 29th January. So this day is known as National Newspaper Day, 29th January. Then on 30th January Martyrs Day is celebrated and World Leprosy Eradication Day is also celebrated on 30th January. Then on February, in the month of February, the important days are 2nd February, World Wetlands Day. 4th February is World Cancer Day. 10th February, World Pulses Day. On 13th February, World Radio Day is celebrated. 13th February is also the birthday of India's first woman governor, Sarojini Naidu. Therefore, 13th February we celebrate National Women's Day. Why do we celebrate National Women's Day on 13th February? Because this was the day when India's first woman governor Sarojini Naidu was born. So 13th February is National Women's Day. 13th February is also World Radio Day. Very important. 14th February is Valentine's Day. On 20th February, World Day of Social Justice is celebrated. Mother Language Day is celebrated on 21st February. 24th February Central Excise Day. 28th February is National Science Day. Important days of March. 3rd March World Wildlife Day and National Defense Day is celebrated. 4th March National Security Day. 8th March is International Women's Day. Mauritius Day is celebrated on 12th March. 14th March is known as Pi Day. 15th March is World Disabled Day and World Consumer Rights Day. 16th March National Vaccination Day. 20th March is Sparrow Day, International Day of Happiness, World Oral Health Day. 21st March International Day for Elimination of Racial Discrimination and World Forestry Day. 22 March World Water Day. 23rd March is World Meteorological Day. On 24th March World TB Day is celebrated. 26th March is the Independence Day of Bangladesh, and on 27th March World Theatre Day is celebrated. Now April, important days in the month of April. 2nd April Autism Awareness Day. 5th April is National Maritime Day, and on 7th April World Health Day is celebrated because on this day, on 7th April 1948, World Health Organization was founded. The headquarters of World Health Organization is Geneva. So WHO was founded on 7th April 1948. So 7th April World Health Day is celebrated on 7th April. Then on 12th April International Day of Human Space Flight is celebrated. 18th April is World Heritage Day. 21st April is National Civil Services Day and Secretaries Day. 22 April is famous for Earth Day. 23rd April is World Book and Copyright Day. 24th April National Panchayati Raj Day, International Day for Multilateralism and Diplomacy for Peace. 24th April. Then on 25th April World Malaria Day. 26th April is World Intellectual Property Day. 28th April is World Day for Safety and Health at Work. 29th April is International Dance Day. Now the important days of May. 1st May is International Labour Day. 2nd May World Asthma Day, World Press Freedom Day, International Energy Day. 5th May is World Hand Hygiene Day. 8th May World Red Cross Day, World Thalassemia Day. 11th May is National Technology Day, and 12th May is World Hypertension Day. 12th May is also International Nurses Day. This day is observed to commemorate the birth anniversary of Florence Nightingale. So International Nurses Day 12th May, and World Hypertension Day is also celebrated on 12th May. 15th May International Day of the Family. 17th May World Telecommunication Day. 18th May is International Museum Day. 20th May World Bee Day. 22nd May International Day for Biological Diversity. 24th May Commonwealth Day. 25th May is World Thyroid Day, and National Statistics Day is celebrated on 29th May. World No Tobacco Day is celebrated on 31st May. Please take a note of whatever I am discussing in this video. This will be very important for your competitive exams. So please write them down in your copy or take a screenshot. Now, important days of June. 1st June World Milk Day, Global Day of Parents. 3rd June is World Bicycle Day. 5th June World Environment Day. World Oceans Day is celebrated on 8th June. 12th June is World Day Against Child Labor. 14th June Blood Donor Day is celebrated on 14th June. 16th June is International Day of Family Remittances. 17th June is World Day to combat desertification and drought. 20th June World Refugee Day. 21st June is World Yoga Day and Music Day. 21st June. 26th June International Day Against Drug Abuse and Illicit Trafficking, and International Day of Tropics is celebrated on 29th June. Now we come to the important days in the month of July. 11th July is World Population Day, and on 15th July World Youth Skills Day is celebrated. What is important about 20th July? World Chess Day. And on 26th July Kargil Victory Day. 28th July is Hepatitis Day. 29th July is Global Tiger Day. 30th July World Day Against Trafficking in Persons. Now, important days in the month of August. 6th August is Hiroshima Day. 7th August is National Handloom Day. 8th August World Senior Citizens Day. 12th August is International Youth Day, World Elephant Day. 12th August is International Youth Day, and National Youth Day is 12th January. Birthday of Swami Vivekananda is on 12th January. On this day, on 12th January, we celebrate National Youth Day, and International Youth Day is celebrated on 12th August. So National Youth Day is 12th Jan and 12th August is International Youth Day. Please remember this. 14th August World Lizard Day. 15th August Indian Independence Day. 19th August World Humanitarian Day. 20th August Sadbhavana Divas. 29th August National Sports Day. Now we come to important days of September. 5th September is Teachers' Day. 5th September is International Day of Charity. 16th September World Ozone Day, World Weight Day. 17th September World Patient Safety Day. 21st September Alzheimer's Day. 22nd September National Daughter Day. 27th September World Tourism Day. 28th September World Rabies Day. 29th September World Heart Day. Now important days of October. On 1st October World Vegetarian Day is celebrated. 1st October is also known as the International Day for Older Persons. 2nd October is Gandhi birthday. 2nd October is also famous for International Day of Non-Violence and World Farm Animal Day. 4th October is World Animal Welfare Day. 5th October is Ganga River Dolphin Day and Teachers' Day. 6th October World Food Security Day. 8th October Indian Air Force Day. 9th October World Post Office Day. 10th October is National Post Day. 11th October International Girl Child Day. 14th October is World Standards Day. 16th October is World Food Day. 17th October International Day for the Eradication of Poverty. 20th October is World Statistics Day and National Solidarity Day. 21st October is National Police Commemoration Day. 24th October World Polio Day and United Nations Day. 28th October World Animation Day. 31st October is National Integration Day and World Cities Day. Now November. 7th November is World Cancer Awareness Day and 9th November Legal Services Day. Then on 11th November National Education Day is celebrated. 14th November is known as Diabetes Day and Children's Day. National Press Day is celebrated on 16th November. 17th November is famous for Epilepsy Day. 20th November World Children's Day. Now 20th November is World Children's Day and 14th November is National Children's Day. Look, 14th November Children's Day, National Children's Day, and 20th November is World Children's Day or International Children's Day. So World Children's Day is 20th November and 14th November is National Children's Day. 21st November World Television Day. 25th November, International Day for the Elimination of Violence Against Women. 26th November is National Milk Day. 27th November, National Organ Donation Day. Important days of December. 1st December is World AIDS Day. 2nd December, Computer Literacy Day, International Day for the Abolition of Slavery. On 3rd December, World Day for Persons with Disabilities is celebrated. 4th December is famous for Indian Navy Day. 5th December is World Soil Day. 7th December is famous for Indian Armed Forces Flag Day. 9th December, International Anti-Corruption Day. 10th December is Human Rights Day. 11th December, UNICEF Day. 14th December is National Energy Conservation Day. 18th December is International Migrants Day. Then on 20th December, International Human Solidarity Day. 22nd December is famous for National Mathematics Day. 23rd December, Indian Farmers Day or Kisan Divas is celebrated on 23rd December. 25th December is Good Governance Day. Birthday of Atal Bihari Vajpayee is celebrated on 25th December. Therefore, this day is known as Good Governance Day. That's all for today. So thank you for watching this video. If you find this video informative, then please like and share the video, subscribe the channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon to get further notifications from this channel. Thank you.